Hi, it's Yazzie. Stay tuned if you want to find out how to do this cut crease glam eyeshadow look. Hello, now let's get started. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done and I prepped the sides of my eyes with tape. So now I'm going into my Kylie Jenner palette using the color Busy Bee. I'm just going to apply this to the top of my eyelids.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a player.
Using color Honeymoon, we're just gonna go ahead and apply that as well and blend it.
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but when still respect.
Using Topaz Obsessions, we're gonna go into this orange color and apply this directly under the previous two colors.
You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it, but I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Using this red color, we're just gonna apply it and blend it out. Blend all of these colors out.
And it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl.
Using this Emerald Obsessions, we're gonna use this lighter color and we're just gonna blend that in our inner eyelid.
Let's get to the point, 'cause we on the road.
Last but not least, we're gonna go into our Kylie Jenner palette and use Sweet Heat to blend out all of the remaining color. Next, we're gonna go into this Emerald palette and we are just gonna apply this teal color to our crease and blend it out. Using this Tarte concealer, we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. Now with this, you can try to be careful, but if you mess up, you can always fix it. But you definitely want a brush that's hard so that way you can get it more precise when you're trying to line it up.
This world, come with me to my planet, get you on my level, do you think that you can handle it?
They call me Thomas, last name Brown. Recognize me, I'ma lay mine down.
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself, but if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
Baby, we can keep it on the low. Let your guards down, ain't nobody gotta know. If you with a girl, I know a place we can go.
What kind of girl do you take me for?
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone. And it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you tease me. You know what I want.
Now we're gonna use this glittery color and just pack this on the lid. You wanna pack it right where we applied the concealer to get this really glittery glam look. Now it's time to line this side up and just follow the same steps as before. Using Big Ego, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to my top lashes. Now it's time to pack glitter on this eye where we put the concealer. Same steps. Eyeshadow complete. Now I'm finishing off this eye with some mascara. Now for the reveal. Not bad for my first try. Now using the face tape by Tarte, I am going to apply full coverage to my face.
I was at a loss for words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. Have you looking for in the daytime with a light?
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. I don't see the ring through your hand. I'll be the first to admit I'm curious about you. You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Promiscuous girl, wherever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you're teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
Time to apply concealer. So I like to apply it down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, under both of my eyes, and under my nose and my chin. Now I'm following up with the glow wand so that way I can get a little bit of glow when I blend out my concealer.
Roses are red, some diamonds are blue. Chivalry is dead, but you're still kinda cute.
I can't keep my mind off you. Where you at? Do you mind if I come through?
Out of this world, come with me to my planet. Get you on my level, do you think that you can handle it?
They call me Thomas, last name Brown. Recognize me, I'ma lay mine down.
I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. But if I get lonely, I'ma need your help. Pay attention to me, I don't talk for my health.
I want you on my team.
So does everybody else.
Baby, we can keep it on the low. Let your guards down, ain't nobody gotta know. If you with a girl, I know a place we can go.
What kind of girl do you take me for?
Promiscuous girl, whatever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you waiting for?
Promiscuous girl, you teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need.
Now I'm applying the HD Set and Forget powder down the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, above my lip, and on my chin. Now it's time to contour. So using this color, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. And as you know, for those of you who always watch, you know the routine. Not only do I contour my nose, but I also contour my cheeks and my jawline as well as my forehead. Now I'm going to be applying this Kiss bronzer to my cheeks, my nose, my jawline, and my forehead. Now I'm applying this teal color to my bottom lash line. Now I'm applying this Beak Ego to my lower lash line. Now it is time for me to apply some blush to warm up my face. As you can see, I am just pushing that powder in that we applied earlier with my damp beauty blender. It's lash time. So I got my glue ready and I'm just applying it to my lashes. And we let them dry for 30 to 40 seconds and we apply.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a loss for words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. Have you looking for in the daytime with a light?
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. The problem, I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit, I'm curious about you. You seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Promiscuous girl, wherever you are, I'm all alone, and it's you that I want.
Promiscuous boy, you already know that I'm all yours. What you
And my eyes are complete. Using e.l.f., I'm going to go ahead and apply this dark red color to my lips.
promiscuous boy, let's get to the point, 'cause we on a roll. You ready?
Using this holographic gloss, I'm going to apply that to my lips to give it a glam effect. And we're finished. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye-bye.